guess you can never have too many braids. It looks like we can personalize this one. And it even comes complete with extensions. Oh, wow! She's not a paper doll anymore! Sand art's the perfect craft for you and your new mini-me. Looks like there's an ocean theme, because she's stepping on the beach. Really putting your foot in it. Don't worry, glue can fix anything. Especially when we throw on some glitter. Just give it time to congeal, and you've got a new accessory. Wipe off the sand. Careful, leave the glitter. Either way, it's really fun to give it a stretch. Make one in each color if you have enough glue. Just make sure to keep things at a low level. Otherwise, you might cause a sticky situation.
Oh.
Whoa! This must be where braids come from.
Wow.
Try picking it. What? Is it too ripe? Well, we can dig it. A shovel's great, but this looks like a job for a brush. You know, some things are better off left buried. I stand corrected. Talk about buried treasure. All that glitters is not gold. Sometimes it's just glitter. Even better, we should collect this stuff for a glitter emergency. And look at all this slime that's still left over. It's got all sorts of cool stuff just swimming in it. Don't worry, Mr. Bones. We'll have you looking your best. Just you wait. You'll be Halloween ready in no time. Well, somebody sure is cranky today. Maybe you should just go back to sleep. Bubblegum. Did you bring enough for the whole class? Oh, you did. Well, what you waiting for? Give it a squeeze. Looks like toothpaste. I wonder if it tastes like mint. Careful! Oh, did you get it in your hair? I'll get the peanut butter. In the meantime, why not use all of this pink goop for our next craft? Whenever you've got creator's block, just think pink. After all, you can make a cute little pig. If you've got enough flavors, you can whip up a whole zoo. And our new animal buddies sure can take a punch. But don't worry, these guys always bounce back. A carton of eggs? You want breakfast, Lily? Oh wait, it's a bunch of 3D toys! Sure, it looks like an egg, until you do this. It's like a spiral, back and forth, back and forth. But watch what happens when you flatten it. I've heard of beating eggs, but never like this. It's like a spinning circus tent. Round and round it goes. Of course, it's not our only 3D friend. Just ask that octopus on top of your head. You know, pencil toppers have really come a long way. Ooh, Lily needs help with her special safe. Something tells me you don't know the code either. Hold on, I think there's a clue on the back. Are you good at math? Anyone got a calculator? Well then, we'll just make one! Don't forget, it always helps to put a nice face on things. And I see someone's got hair to spare. Seems simple enough. Just type in the equations. I was wondering how the answer would show. Okay, we're almost done. Just got one last equation. You got that? Okay, just type it in and twist that dial. I wonder what's inside. Ooh, a doll with joints. Uh-oh, I sense a bit of a rivalry here. Don't worry, girl, we've got your back. We've got the perfect place for you to fight things out. Oh, I can't watch, yet I can't look away. Ooh, popcorn. And it's a victory for Lily Lovebraids. Someone could sure use an alarm. But for now, why don't we just whip up a watch?
Huh?
Let's just hope that wasn't permanent ink. Still, a good idea is a good idea. Why don't we whip up a watch of our very own? Or something even more fun, right at your wrist. We'll make our very own rainbow sketch pad. Of course, it'll be one with a personal touch. Don't forget to add a strap. Make sure it fits. Grab a cotton swab and let the creative juices flow. Butterfly in the sky. I can fly twice as high. Didn't I tell you? Now where's that rainbow? Even better, I think we found you a new home. Aw, did someone order a cat in a basket? Well, even if she didn't, she's not complaining. Good thing too, we don't do returns. Cats and computers, they just go together. Though I think he'd prefer the kind with a mouse. Meanwhile, you got a warranty on that? You did. Wonderful. That means free cardboard. But maybe save that, just in case, you know? The box is already in just the shape we need. But make sure to slice up some pieces, like so. We'll need something to go inside after all. You could use some color. I meant the laptop. Oh, I see. We're making a laptop just for cats. Complete with a personal scratching post. Knew that other laptop would come in handy. With this kitty cat, you also get a free alarm clock. Still, we should make something to maintain Kitty's energy. And this magic horn is here to help. Wow, a wood stick! This stuff is going right in the cardboard. Now slip into these custom banana peels. Next, grab some twine and twist it all around. Run through these holes. Add a cute cat face and something nice and soft to lie on. It's the perfect spot for your cat to rest, in between sleeping. Don't think Kitty's a fan of Pinky. But don't worry, you don't need a stuffed toy. You've got something even better, a paper cup. Add some wooden poles on the side. And now, You can throw on some wheels, too. I get it. We can make cars based on our favorite sprunky friends. And Kitty can play without knocking any stuffing out. Hey, even Kitty needs his private time. Let's just hope he's not in there all day. Okay, somebody's getting a litter box. And just to be clear, we mean the cat. But we'll meet Mr. Kitty halfway. How about we produce something in the old outhouse style? You know, we probably have heavy-duty scissors in back. Of course, it could still use a touch of green. Ah, vines will give it a nice rustic charm. Of course, when making a litter box, we kind of need some litter. It is in the name, after all. Come on, Kitty, why don't you try it out? Feeling shy? Don't worry, there's a door for maximum privacy. Which reminds me, don't you have business to take care of? Nothing beats petting a cat, but you gotta stay hydrated. Ugh, that popcorn's out of reach too. Don't worry, Queen Tantalus. There's an easy fix. We just need to make a brand new you, sort of. A picture so pretty, it needs a frame. But all the best things in life have depth. Not to mention a soft touch, just the way Kitty likes it. Sadly, what goes around comes around. Cats always bring something special to a home. Just remember, they just don't do tables. Seriously, this is like Cats 101. But at least they leave some cool paw prints. To make it last forever, fill it with hot glue. Preferably glitter glue. Or just never touch the sand. But this way is more fun and sparklier. Once you add more glitter and let it dry, dig it out. Now clear off the sand. I mean, it's blocking the glitter. We can make it Mr. Kitty's brand new accessory. In fact, why not start a trend? Now you're both real cool cats. It's always fun to take some selfies, but they're always better with cats. If only there was a fun way to show them off at once. Well, looks like Kitty already has an idea. Whatever it is, it's got something to do with wheels. Maybe a spinning wheel? A hamster wheel? Oh, I get it! We're making a Ferris wheel! And there's plenty of room for all our photos. Just get the seats ready and start hanging. I heard of carousel posts, but this is in 3D and real life. Cat food? Mr. Kitty wants to make sure this stuff is safe. Of course, we need to make sure it's safe from him, too. Maybe we could craft something that could help. Chopsticks are very useful when it comes to food. It just makes sense that even cats have a use for them. Just what our special cat food dispenser needs. Crafting is thirsty work. Have some water. But more importantly, we need that bottle. Of course, no one would complain about a nice new paint job. Why don't we give this contraption a friendly face? You know, something Mr. Kitty can really trust. Of course, a cat food dispenser is gonna need some, well, cat food. And a bowl to catch the kibble and try it out. It works! But now for the real test. Does Mr. Kitty like it? He just can't resist a paws-on experience. That and kibble. Mr. Kitty sure is quiet. Wait, Derpy? Where's... Oh, there you are. You know, you deserve a real special treat. Preferably something we can make out of cardboard. I'm sure you noticed a trend around here today, right? But this project's gonna use all the cardboard we can throw at it. Any guesses what we're making? Whatever it is, I'm pretty sure it's going places. Well, for the time being, it's getting a paint job. That's right, we're making a bakery food truck. Didn't I say it was a sweet treat? Oh, I didn't? Well, I should have. Of course, the important thing is a place for Kitty to rest. Seriously, watching us craft all day has got to be exhausting. And I don't think he'd mind a little baking either. You earned it.